most contented countenance that their faces were this day. To our guests, our school president, Reverend Raul Cagin, to our school director, Mrs. Concepcion Cagin, to our dear pastor, Pastor Del Vitalis, our faculty members, PTF officers, parents, relatives, friends, and fellow graduates, good morning. At this moment, my heart is overflowing with joy and gratefulness. I would like to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all who willingly give their love and support unconditionally. First and foremost, to our Lord Jesus Christ, for making me a gifted child. Just kidding. Anyway, I thank God for allowing me to be a part of this world, for giving me nice and loving parents,
Thank you.
for the gifts He had given me, for the talents in understanding my lessons in my academics, for making me a good person, a classmate and as a friend to my fellow young people. Thank you. To my beloved parents, Lola Del and Tita Jane, thank you for all the love and unmeasured patience in helping me in all my schoolworks. My words are not enough to express my gratitude to my mama and papa for letting me study in the school and for helping me utilize whatever talent God has given me. Thank you very much. To our teachers, in behalf of my fellow graduates, how can we even repay you for the wise instructions, your unselfish devotion to our welfare, and your guidance which we all had a good fortune to share. Thanks to those years of physical, moral, and spiritual growth under the loving care of our dear teachers, we can safely say that we all have been very fortunate indeed. Thank you. To our alma mater, Marikina Christian Integrated School, which is our school and yours too. There is nothing much better and much happier than to have you all with us today. For your most welcome presence is a good sign that our school will live and will continue to live, perhaps much bigger, much stronger through the years. Thank you. Let's give a round of applause to our school MCMs. To my beloved, fellow graduates, yes, this is the moment, but not the final test yet. Today is our graduation day. Graduation marks the end of a course. It is like a twilight that marks the end of the day and the beginning of the night. Or like the dawn that marks the end of the night and the beginning of the day. Now, our elementary days end, but tomorrow is a new beginning with greater challenge in a series of struggles in our journey to reach an individual goals. Before I forgot, guys, tatlong bagsak naman dyan. Thank you and congratulations. Before I end up my speech, I would like to share with you one passage from the Bible which can be found in 1 Corinthians 10:31 that says, "So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do, do it all for the glory of our God." I repeat, 1 Corinthians 10:31. So whether you eat or drink or whatever you do it all for the glory of God. Please join me as I meditate and give thanks to our God.